just got done with the gym and now I'm outside of the grocery store about to go in and get my weekly groceries. But I hate going to the grocery store hungry because I always end up spending way too much money. I know I cannot be alone in this one, but after working out I like to get some sort of protein in my body, whether it's protein shake or protein bar or something like that. So I wanted to mention that Magic Spoon launched limited edition cereal bars, which these are awesome. I love their cereal already. I shared it with you guys last month, I think, and they launched limited edition cereal bars. It's basically the exact same thing as the cereal, like super delicious, but just in a convenient bar on the go, which is hello awesome, because I don't want to be bringing cereal with me, but sometimes I do stick it in Arlo's little like cup thing. But nonetheless, this is again the same sort of macros. So 1 gram of sugar, 4 grams of net carbs, and this has 10 grams of protein in it. Y'all have to see this. This is the peanut butter cocoa flavor. They also have a cookies and cream. There's like legit chocolate chips in there, but look how, you can't tell me that doesn't look good. So good. So again, just like the cereal, keto friendly, gluten-free, grain-free, all of the good stuff that you want in a cereal bar, but it's fun and it's on the go. If you've not tried their original cereal, which they have so many flavors, you guys, I can't wait to share some of my new favorites with you guys soon. So because Magic Spoon is super excited about the launch of their cereal bars, they are giving me a coupon code for you guys. So it is $5 off of your order using the code Kelly's Life. So be sure when you are grabbing some cereal that you grab some of these cereal bars too, because I think you'll really like them. I just love the convenience factor of them for sure, but they also taste freaking amazing. And like always, Magic Spoon guarantees that you're going to love their products with 100% money back guarantee, which we love to see that. So click the link down below. magicspoon.com/Kelly's Life will save you $5 off of your order. I'm definitely gonna get more of these. They're so good. Okay, I finished my bar, but I did want to tell you a little side note for all of my British and Canadian followers as well. They are now shipping to you guys as well. I know I've got some Canadian followers for sure. So if you guys are interested, again, check the links down in the description box. Love it for its convenience and that childhood nostalgia. And who doesn't love chocolate peanut butter? It is probably my favorite combination in the entire world. And if it's not, they got cookies and cream for you as well. So I'm super excited for the launch of their cereal bars. Make sure you grab them again because they are limited edition. Now let's go get some groceries. Now I got a little something in my tummy, so I'm not gonna be starving. All right, you guys, let's get into breakfast. I've been loving making veggies my biggest portion of my breakfast. So I took and shredded up a sweet potato and then a zucchini and some mushrooms, chopped those up. It's just super filling and very low calorie, and I love it. So I went ahead and sauteed that in a pan. While that was cooking up with some salt and pepper, I threw in this turkey bacon that I get from Tom Thumb into my air fryer at 400 till it's nice and crispy. I went ahead and cracked 2 eggs into my pan. And then I took one of these Mission tortillas and popped it on top of the eggs while they were still like cooking. I love this little hack. And then I went ahead and chopped up my bacon just so that it fit in there better, and topped it with a little bit of cheese and then tossed it over. So it's basically like a tortilla omelet, less than 500 calories, amazing. All right, you guys, now it's time for lunch. I went ahead and prepped this ahead of time. I'm using this Israeli cous from Trader Joe's. I went ahead and cooked it to its directions, and then I used some parsley, some mint, red wine vinegar, olive oil, lemon, bell pepper, cucumber, feta. I used goat cheese. I didn't end up using the arugula, and some grilled chicken, and I just kind of tossed it all in the bowl. No specific recipe, just kind of wanted a quick salad. I went ahead and made this ahead of time. Like I said, it portioned out into 2 meals. It looks like a lot, but again, it's a lot of chicken. I think I used 12 ounces of chicken, fresh herbs. It was such a delicious salad. So I went ahead and prepped it so it could marinate, and then took it out when it was time for lunch, and it was yum. Hello, welcome back to the kitchen. It's dinner time. Well, it's snack time, then it's dinner time. I'm someone who just like doesn't get hungry. Like I have a pretty large like brunch at like 11, ish, noon-ish, and then I don't get hungry until like 4, and then I'm ravenous until I go to bed. So I save most of my meals for the evening, but whatever works for you, do it. But I figured since I did voiceover for most of today's video, I would kind of talk you through tonight's dinner, and Scott is at the gym, so I don't have to be quiet. So here we go, because he's always on meetings. So I'm gonna start by making myself a snack. I'm just craving tea and an apple. I'm freezing, it's very cold out. I just did finish lunch like an hour ago. It's already 5 o'clock. I know, I eat a very late lunch. Nonetheless, I just finished it not that long ago, so I'm not like starving, but I'm snacky. I'm always snacky when I make dinner. So we're gonna share with you, I'm making a taco salad. Scott's probably gonna have regular tacos. I'm just craving a salad. No particular reason. Could eat the tacos too. I might eat tacos. I'm excited. Nonetheless, we make it the same way, so let's get into it. But let's make some tea first. Got my water on to boil, and I'm going to be having this organic pomegranate white tea. I've been really loving this. I get it from Trader Joe's. I'm sure you can get something similar like it from any grocery store, but yeah, been really enjoying it. I don't think it's caffeine free, but it's not enough caffeine to give me any sort of anything because I drink pre-workout, so nothing affects me. Apple. I love Honeycrisp apples. They're my favorite. Honeycrisp apples are just superior. Let's get to going. I took out my ground turkey. I eat ground turkey at least twice a week. I love it. Scott hates it. I don't care. I continue to eat it or make it because I love it. This is the 99% lean, 1% fat turkey. I'm gonna throw this in a pan and get it nice and warm and browned, and I'm gonna season it with some taco seasoning. Revolutionary, I know. Let's go. So I would just normally make my own taco seasoning, but I have this one. But then I just remembered that this literally is the spiciest thing I've like ever tasted. And I like spicy, and this is just terribly spicy. I saw this person like review it and be like, made my child cry, do not buy. So we're gonna make our own. We're gonna go in with some chili powder, cumin. I'm gonna go with a little bit of crushed red pepper, garlic, cayenne pepper, a little bit of oregano, salt, and pepper. I feel like cumin is the star of the show. Nonetheless, you can just totally use a prepackaged thing. I just decided I hate that Trader Joe's one. Which is so sad because I love most Trader Joe's sauce or seasonings. While that's browning up, I'm gonna go ahead and take some beans and throw them in a saucepan. I'm just using these Cuban style from Trader Joe's. We got romaine. We got tomatoes. We got some tortillas. What we don't have, cheese. Uh-oh. I only have sliced cheese, so we're gonna make this work with slices instead of shredded. It's not that big of a deal. Instead of sour cream, we got protein Greek yogurt. We got some hot sauce, which is my favorite. I think that's it. So I'm gonna start by chopping up my lettuce and throwing it into a lettuce spinner. All right, so I have my salad spinner filled all the way up with water. I like to let it soak and kind of get rid of everything. Plus, I find that the water kind of like revives the lettuce, since lettuce is like water. I feel like it revives any limp pieces that might be, you know, just on their last leg. So we're gonna let that soak for a bit, and then we'll go ahead and spin it. We'll drain it and then spin it. I've lost 2 tomatoes so far. Ugh. I think that one didn't make it out from underneath my refrigerator. Here we go. Cheese. Does it really matter? It all tastes the same, right? Sour cream, hot sauce, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, tortillas, beans, and meat are on the stove. And yeah, I'm probably gonna heat up a little bit of rice to pop in my salad.
And then editing Kelly did not realize that I completely forgot to show you my salad. That's what happens when you try to eat when you have a toddler at home. Sorry, but it was delicious. I basically just topped it all off with all the things that I showed you. So yeah, sorry. Alright you guys, that's gonna end off my what I ate in a day video. Thank you again for Magic Spoon for sponsoring this video. Again, I will have my coupon code listed here as well as down below. If you guys have not tried it out yet, now's a perfect time so you can grab those cereal bars that are limited edition. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!